Cynful Monterey chicken. We're going to start out by putting our crema into a pan on low heat. We're going to warm that up. We just want to get this warm and get it started. Make sure you get all of that stuff out of there. It's so good. All right, moving on, we're going to season our chicken with salt and some of that Cynful taco seasoning. We're going to do that on both sides. Next, we're going back to our sauce now that that's heated. We're going to slowly add our cheese, and we're going to add it in small increments and stir in between and get it fully melted before we add the next amount. So this is a Mexican provolone that we're adding. Now see how thick that is? It actually got a little bit too thick, so I went ahead and added about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Stirred that in, it made it just perfect. We're going to put a top on it, put it on a back burner on as low as we can get it just to keep it warm. Now we're going to go ahead and put some avocado oil into our skillet and go ahead and cook up that chicken. Now I try to put the thicker parts closer to the center because they're the ones that are going to take the longest to cook. We're going to cook it until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Take it out of the pan, put it on that baking sheet, and go ahead and add butter to the same pan that you just used. Now, we can take that chicken and put it in the oven just to keep it warm. And go ahead and add our vegetables. Cook those vegetables until they get nice and soft, and we're going to add just a bit of brown sugar. That's going to sweeten, pull out the sweetness of the onions and the peppers. It's going to kind of coat it in this nice, wonderful caramel almost. And that's it. What you do is you take the chicken, put it on your plate, put that wonderful cheese sauce on top, and then top it with all those luscious vegetables. I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description. Let's take a look at this recipe right here. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful Monterey chicken. Please like and subscribe. It does help the algorithm. And y'all have a blessed day.